A CRM system is a tool for managing clients and tasks, but it also fully supports financial interactions. In SendPulse CRM, you can view all payments related to clients and deals, add payments manually, create payment links for clients, and monitor payments without having to use external services. This is especially convenient for small businesses, online schools, consulting firms, and agencies where payments are made directly without complex integrations. Now we will look at how to view payment information and how to generate payment links in the CRM. If you don't have any payments yet, you can set up a payment system connection in your account settings. Here you'll see a list of popular payment systems you can connect. Each system includes information on how to connect it and the option to choose the payment currency. You can also see information about recent payments which you can use in the future. If you have already connected a payment system, you can see all current payment information in the e-commerce payments tab, whether the payments occurred through other services and were recorded by the CRM or were created within the service itself. With the use of filters, you can view information about contacts and payment details. You can filter information using the following parameters: payment creation date, contact first name, contact last name, contact details such as email or phone number, payment amount range, currency, payment status, and the manager assigned to the deal. You can select the parameters you need and click the Select button. Let's go into more detail about the information in the columns. The Contacts column allows you to view the client's data stored in the CRM. Next to it, in the Amount column, you'll see the payment system, the amount the client paid, and the currency. The Status column displays the payment status, processing, when the client has made the payment, but the bank or payment system has not yet transferred the funds to SendPulse. Pending, if the client has not yet made the payment. Paid, cancelled, refunded, reversed, when the payment system has returned the full payment to the client without the seller's involvement in the refund process. Rejected, not paid, partially refunded, incomplete, relevant for PayPal and Cryptomas merchants. The payment is successful, but the amount is less than what you specified in the SendPulse service, and the status payment error. The next column is description. This indicates the name of the product for which the payment was made. In the deal column, you can see information about the CRM deal associated with this payment, the name, a link to the deal card, and its current status. The assigned to column shows who is responsible for the deal. The date column shows the date and time the payment was made. Also on this page, you can see the export option, which allows you to easily download payment data to your device as a file. First, generate it and then download it. Choose the file format that is convenient for you. The generated file will be in the Export section with the current date. And finally, the Statistics tab. Here you can select a period of interest and view a graph of your payments. Now let's look at how to generate a payment link in the CRM. A payment link is a way to receive an online payment for a specific purchase through a created invoice. You can send it to the client by email or share it with them in a messenger. When the buyer clicks the link, they can pay for their order. You can create payments within contacts and deals. If you're in contacts, open the contact you need, click payments, and then create payment. Enter all the necessary data into the payment card. You can also see the custom payment type option here, which is the default and is suitable for any payments in the CRM, while the EDU payment option is only suitable for paid courses. In the description field, add any necessary information that the client should see. Please note, if you create a payment link through a contact card, a deal will be created for the payment with all the data saved once the payment is made. When creating a payment link, you can set a time limit for its validity. The value is set in days with a minimum of 1 day. To generate the link, click the Create button. Once the link is generated, you can copy it and send it to the client by clicking Copy. If you want to create a payment link through a deal, open the deal at any stage, go to the Payments tab and click Create Payment. If you need to check the payment status, it will be displayed in this tab. It may happen that a client pays for your service using another method. In that case, you can manually confirm the payment in the CRM. Open the deal, go to the Payments tab and click the green Confirm Payment button next to the payment status. The payment status will change to Confirmed by Manager, and the payment will be marked as successful in the Payments section. You can delete current payment links, for example, if the order details have changed, and create new ones. So we now know how to work with payment information and how to generate payment links in the CRM on our own. In the next lesson, we'll look at how we can add and manage products,